The birthday list begins with Norvella Thompson, who is celebrating a big first birthday with the jump, jump, jumperoo and all the buttons, bells, and whistles to enjoy. Norvella, a very happy first to you with love from Mom, Dad, and Trin, and let the party commence in Parsons.
And then we've got Kennedy at Wyrick. Look at that big bow on Kennedy there, turning 2 years old. And Seneca with love from Mom, Dad, Nana, and Papa.
Look like a good gust of wind right there. About to pick Kennedy up with that bow. I love that. I love the color of it too. Really pops out with that dress. Riley Moore, she is celebrating her 11th birthday. Miss Riley, I want you to have a great day. She is in Crestline.
And in Pittsburgh, Timothy Munger. Yeah, look at that catch there. Timothy celebrating birthday number 14.
Well done, Mr. Timothy. Well done, sir. Sammy Martin celebrating her 14th birthday as well. A little Super Bowl, Kansas City Chiefs Super Bowl action there on the sweatshirt, I bet you. Sammy, she's celebrating in Mountain Valley.
All right, in Uniontown, turning 18 years old today, Lainey Covey. Happy birthday to you.
Strike up the gold number. Throw up the gold number up there. Hunter Mulherin is celebrating his 28th birthday on this April the 28th, making it the golden birthday variety. Hunter, a happy birthday to you in the knack.
All right, and Sue Drennan celebrating another year wiser in Crestline. Hope you have a great day, Sue. Happy birthday.
Jim Campbell. Mr. Campbell had his birthday yesterday, but we were not going to forget him, not one bit. So Jim, want to go ahead and say that Tanya has given me permission to carry your birthday celebration into the weekend, as a matter of fact. So I will be letting the rest of the family know. Jim, a very happy birthday in Columbus. And speaking of Columbus, Iva Newberry. She is a resident at Medical Lodges in Columbus, celebrating a birthday as well. So everybody in that area, if you stop by, or maybe just give a honk on the way past Medical Lodges, I'm sure Iva would appreciate that, as we wish Iva a very happy birthday as well. Happy birthday and happy anniversary.